Hey guys, it's Jamie. I want to show you an awesome new tool that I'm using. It's called ViralLoops. It's basically a referral system. You can use it to get referrals, to sign up, to buy things, to refer friends, obviously. So I'm going to show you a little bit about it and how I got it and how I use it with Builderall with my two-tier. I love it, and it's on an amazing deal right now that I'll tell you about later on where to get it. But it's awesome. It's called ViralLoops. If you go to their webpage, let's see, here's their webpage. Referrals made easy for everyone. We've launched this tool to help you create a Dropbox-style referral program in 4 simple steps. And it really is. It's 4 simple steps, very easy to do, but great system that tracks everything. So I'm going to show you it real quick. Before we get too far into it, let me quickly show you the pricing. So the pricing from their site, you're looking at $49 a month minimum for the startup, up to $259 a month for the power. Okay, the plan I'm using is called Plus. It's $199 a month. That's pretty expensive. It is a pretty awesome tool, but that's a lot of money a month. That's for 5,000 participants in your promotions, in your refer a friend promotions. If you go over that, you either need to get more space or you need to clear some participants out from previous promotions to make room for new ones. So it's $200 a month for 5,000 participants in your promotions. You can have as many of the promotions as you want, but only 5,000 participants at one time. Okay, so what I've done is I've gotten this a different way. There's a link in the video description where you can get it as well. But instead of $199 a month, I've gotten it from AppSumo. If you've never heard of AppSumo, do yourself a favor and check them out. There's a link to them in the video as well, in the video description. AppSumo currently has, let me go to the right program here, ViralLoops. Alright, so AppSumo currently has ViralLoops, a one-time payment for lifetime access to what you just saw costs $199 a month. Right here, plus plan $199 a month. What these guys are doing is they're upping it from 5,000 to 15,000 participants. So they're tripling the amount of participants you have, and they're charging you a one-time $49. So somebody is joining up with ViralLoops today on their website and paying $199 right now, and they'll pay $199 again next month and each month thereafter to get less than what you can get right now for a short time on AppSumo for one $49 payment. It's an amazing deal. There's not much more to say about that as far as that goes. It's $199 a month. If I had enough money, I would be paying that. Luckily, I don't have to because I found this amazing deal, one-time payment of $50, and you can access this software with up to 15,000 participants for life, while everybody else is paying $199 a month. Alright, so that's the first thing. The link to get this with this special price is in the description. Go get it there if you're going to get it. Don't pay $200 a month. Alright, so back to the actual software. The templates, comes with lots of templates that are just basically set up for you. So there's very little work you have to do to get your promotion set up and running and going. It does a lot of it for you. Let me go back to the templates for you. So here's the templates it comes with. They do add more, and there are updates. With the $49 lifetime price, you get lifetime updates as well. There are upgrades you can pay for, like more participants than you have allotted, and you get 30% off any upgrades for the life of the product as well. But you get all the updates for free. Alright, so I'm going to show you real quickly just 1 or 2 of these to give you an idea of how they work, and then I'll show you how I've made it work with my tier 2, or excuse me, my 2-tier. So let's start with the simple, the most common, refer a friend, okay? So it says, build virality in your product like Dropbox did and accelerate your growth. Your users can invite their friends to sign up. So this one was inspired by Dropbox. They did a refer a friend promotion like this. ViralLoops copied that, put it into an easy to set up system, and now we have it. So the goal of the Refer a Friend is to increase your signups or newsletter subscriptions. It's ideal for blogs, SaaS, and web apps. SaaS, in case you're not sure, is software as a service, basically software that is a monthly fee. All right, so if we select this template, It's going to give you a little idea of what this template is about, how it works, how it looks. So it's inspired by Dropbox. You want more signups, more subscriptions. Your subscribers get incentivized to invite their friends. When they also join, everyone gets the rewards you've set. It's that simple. Okay, so if you look down here, how it works. So the person, your users get their unique link to share with their friends and family. When the invitee signs up, he gets rewarded. And when the invitee signs up, the referrer gets rewarded. In this example, they're getting 10 cats, but it could be a 10% discount. It could be a free product. It could be a lot of different things, just about anything you want to set it up as. So let's look at this campaign in a demo. Let's kind of see how it looks and works. So we go here. So here's somebody's website, and if you look through here, somewhere, right down here in the corner, but if you scroll around, sometimes it'll be on the site, sometimes it's in a button. So here, if we click on invite, you can see, join up and win rewards with every friend that signs up. How many referrals you have? They sign up with their name, email right here, and start inviting. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this just to show you what it looks like. For those of you making websites, if you don't know, you can put a plus and some numbers after your email, but before the @ sign. This only works for Gmail, or at least that I know of. That gives you a unique email address that isn't your standard one. You'll still get it in your normal email, but it'll be easier to discern who it came from and get rid of and stuff. So if you're just doing tests and stuff, use a plus and a number. It can be one number, it could be 12 numbers, but it will be a unique email that's not your standard one, but you'll still get it in your email. So I'm going to go ahead and say start inviting. As you can see, it switches over to the share screen. So now it says invite your friends and win, and you can use Facebook, Twitter, Messenger. Here's your own link that you can share, and you can send an email to people separated by a comma right here, and those people will get invited to come here to this website and sign up. You can see if you've got any rewards or referrals yet. Right now I have 0, obviously. I haven't shared my link with anybody, but you can see how it works right there, just built into the site. Pretty nice. If you do sign up for that, you'll get an email that says, "Hey, you've signed up for this. Share this link with people." You know, the standard stuff you would expect. So that's just one. That's the Inspired by Dropbox Refer a Friend. And if you look, there's quite a few others. I really like the Tempting Giveaway. Grow your email list and engage your audience. So this one basically lets you get a certain amount of entries to better your chances at winning a drawing for a free item. Okay, so they join up by clicking putting their name and email on your site, and then they get it switched over to the sharing screen. They get their links and their buttons, and they share. As they share and people join up, they can watch their entries go up, and at the end, a random winner will be selected for the prize. In this case, it's a t-shirt for Go Viral, but you can make it whatever you want from your website. Okay, that's one way to do it, to get a lot of people involved, and then give one prize away, so you're not breaking the bank. All right, so that is that template. Last but not least is the milestone, which is what I'm using and what I'm going to show you next. So I'm just going to click here so you get an idea of what it is. It's basically you have milestones that they reach when they get 5 friends or 10 friends or 1 friend and then 3, and you can give them rewards for each milestone. Okay, right here, users get their link, they refer friends, they unlock rewards. The more the friends they refer, the bigger the prize they earn. So there's different ways to do it. They're all built in and set up so that they're really easy to edit and get working quickly. It doesn't take days and days to get going. All right, so let's take a look at one that I've done. Again, I've done this to work with my 2-tier on Builderall. So I'm going to send an email or a message to my downline that has not gone 2-tier yet. Okay, so people who signed up under me but have not gone 2-tier to start the business side of it yet. I'm going to send them an email and a message explaining that I've got a little promotion going, that if they sign up friends with using my link, that for each one they sign up, for the first one they send me, I will give them 25% discount on their 2-tier commercial license upgrade. If they send me 2 people that sign up, I'll give them a 50% discount on their 2-tier commercial license upgrade. And if they send me 3 people that all sign up, then I will pay for their 2-tier commercial license for them. It helps me get more people, but it also helps kind of motivate them to get going. They don't have to pay the $97 just in case that's a holdup for them for one reason or another. They won't have to pay that. They'll see that it happens and it works, and then once I buy that for them, they will start working to make money themselves, but they'll also be making money for me. It doesn't hurt me because the 2-tier commercial license upgrade 100% of that goes to the upline. Okay, so that would be me. So if I pay for it, 100% of it will go to me, so I get my money back. So it doesn't hurt me, but it helps them immensely get started on the business side of things. So here's what I put together. I'll send them a message or an email that has a link to this page right here. So this is my Spread the Builderall Love promotion. Do you want to start your 2-tier but can't afford the 2-tier? And our special, our Spread the Love promotion, refer just 3 of your friends to Builderall using our Spread the Love promotion and earn a free 2-tier commercial license for the amazing Builderall platform. I have a little thing where they can meet their upline, get a little more information, and communicate with me as well, or subscribe to my YouTube and stuff like that. But over here, you're just going to enter in this information. So I'm going to do it one more time. This time I'm going to do it as Joe Barnes. And I'm still going to use my email, but I'm going to use plus and some other weird number at gmail.com. So yes, I want my free business. Friends you've referred to Pearson Builderall team, 0. Come back here to get an update. Anytime they come here, this will change to show how many friends they have. So I'm going to say, yes, I want my free business. As you can see, it's switched over. It says spread the love with the tools below. They can share it on Facebook. They can tweet it. They can send it on Messenger to their friends. They can send or share this link anywhere they want. And they can send email right from here to any of their friends. They can separate it with comments and do multiple. Anybody who does accept it, or clicks on the link in this email or from this share, they will go to this page right here where it says spread the love. Your friend has invited you to join the Pearson Builderall team. If you already know what that means, what Builderall is, and are ready to join us, click the button below to open the Builderall registration page in a new window. It only takes a moment, and then come back here and join the promotion above using the same email you just registered for Builderall with to make sure your friend gets their credit. Now you too can refer your friends to the Pearson Builderall team. If you refer just 3 of your friends, I'll personally buy you into the 2-tier commercial license of Builderall so you can start your own 2-tier Builderall business. Then I put a little thing here for the people who, they want to help out but they're not sure or don't know enough about Builderall yet. Down here it says, I want to help my friend, but what is Builderall? Builderall is the only truly all-in-one online marketing platform. If you're not sure if Builderall is right for you or your business, click the button below to learn why Builderall is the platform you need for your personal or business online presence. So when they click that, it will go to the main funnel for the 2-tier. Okay, to teach them about the product and hopefully have them sign up. After learning more and joining, you must come back here and join the Spread the Love promotion above so that your friend will receive credit. And then if they've got any other questions, again, a way for them to contact me or get in touch with me. But then they fill this out, and then this switches over to the share, and then mine, the number would change to a 1. And then they would get an email that says, hey, you got 1 out of the 3 people. That's worth a 25% discount on your 2-tier commercial license upgrade. If you want to take advantage of that now, reply to this email and let me know. Otherwise, keep referring friends, and when you get to 3, your 2-tier commercial license upgrade is free. Okay, so it's incentivizing them. It's also not trying to take all of their people they can sign up. If they just want to sign up 1 and get the price down a little to make it easier, they can do that, and then they can start adding their own people. I'm not trying to take lots of people. That's why I capped it off at 3. Okay, so I just want to motivate some of my people who are in my downline but are not doing the 2-tier to think about doing that or to make it easier for them to get involved with that. So again, like I said, you'll get an email when you sign up. You'll get an email when other people join. If you see right here, Pearson Builderall team, welcome to the team. Let's get started. So remember, I said I was Joe. I got to fix this background here a little bit, but you can see, hi Joe, thanks for signing up. Invite your friends, and as they sign up, you'll get rewarded with your very own 2-tier commercial license. And then I have in here, refer 1 friend for this for a 25% discount, 2 for 50, and 3 for 100. What are you waiting for? Invite your friends. When they click on invite your friends, it simply takes them right back here and brings this window up with their link again, their invite to emails, and this, and they can get an update on how they're doing if they've got 1, 2, or 3 people. Last but not least, let me go show you what it looks like in the ViralLoops dashboard for a campaign. So let's go to My Campaigns. You can see that I have a Spread the Builderall Love campaign with 3 total participants. I can go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, I can see analytics. I can see performance over time, the channel performance, the different ways it was shared, who shared it, who agreed. If there's any that are review for fraud. It says, hey, this might be a risk one. Evaluate this one, make sure. Sometimes people will sign up themselves or do something weird from the same IP address. It doesn't stop them, but it does let me know, hey, you might want to look at this one. So that's nice. So if you come down here, you can see everybody who's in this campaign, who's signed up for this campaign. So you can see Joe Barnes right down here just signed up, hasn't shared it with anybody yet. But if you look up here, you can see Jenny, who has shared. If you look in the gray, she shared once on Facebook and once through email. And you can see that she has a person right here, and they signed up through Facebook. You can see the green is people who actually signed up. And if you click on the little person here, it'll actually show you anybody under this person. So if I click there, it'll show me Jenny, and then the fact that this person signed up using her link. Okay, so then if she had 3, I'd be able to see all 3. And then what I do is I can go verify that they are in my back office, my 2-tier back office, and did sign up and are paying. If they're on the free trial, they get an email back that says as soon as the free trial is over, as long as they sign up, then you'll get your discount. If they go directly to sign up, you'll get the discount right away. Again, then you get 15,000. Okay, so you can have 10 campaigns, and each one could have 1,500 participants, or you can have one campaign with 15,000. When you hit that number, though, you've got to make room or buy more space. Okay, so you can either buy more by upgrading your amount of participants above 15,000, or you can delete old campaigns or people from certain campaigns that you no longer need anymore. You're welcome to export them to a CSV. You don't have to lose them forever. These might be leads for your business, so you're welcome to do any of those things and save them. Just so you know, this thing is built in to work with a lot of autoresponders. So I'm going to do edit on this to show you the 4 basic setup parts that you will need to use. So the first screen is just info, where you're going to name it, and you're going to put the site where your referral link is going to go to. Okay, so after they sign up to do the promotion, when they send a link to somebody, where's that going to go? So that one's going to go to friends for me. Okay, on the next screen, we pick our milestones. For me, I only have 3. 1 referral, 2 referrals, and 3 referrals. Up here you can see I will reward them myself with gifts related to my business, or I will reward them with Amazon gift cards. That's coming soon. Or I will reward them automatically through Startup Threads. Startup Threads is kind of like Fulfillment by Amazon. It's a company that will let you create the gifts that you want to give, but then they will also send them out for you. Okay, so there is cost involved there, but that's an option if you want to do it. I'm doing it myself. I'm just doing discounts on the 2-tier commercial upgrade. So when 1 referral is reached, so when somebody gets 1, they get an email. Here's what the email looks like. So they get this email right here. Hi Jamie, congratulations on referring your first Builderall friend. This friend is worth a 25% discount towards your 2-tier commercial license. Reply now to tell us you want to use this discount, or refer just 2 more and you'll win a free 2-tier commercial license. $97 value for the amazing Builderall platform. Now keep inviting your friends to reach the next milestone. And then you can click this button, and once again they'll be taken to the place where they can share with the buttons, with the link, and with the email. This content for this email is all right here. You just type in each thing that you want. Here's the content. You can use tags. It tells you which tags you can use for each email. You can always use first name, but you can also use email and other things if you have them. You can pick a header image or a logo. I'm using a logo, but I'm going to increase the size of the logo. It's a little too small for me. You can change colors and stuff like that to try and make it match better with your website. You can bold and italicize things, obviously. All right, let's go. So if they get 2, it's a similar email that just says you get a 50% discount. And if they get all 3 of them, then this one says, congratulations on making this awesome milestone. Thank you very much for inviting your friends. We have an amazing gift for you. Reply to this email to get your free 2-tier commercial license set up. As soon as it's set up, you can start referring people to your own Builderall business site. With 2-tier, you'll get 100% commissions on the first month and 30% each month thereafter. Welcome to the business. Tell me more about my new business. This button will link them to the actual franchise site on Builderall, where they can see their resources and stuff like that. And after that, we have widgets. Okay, so these are the widgets you saw on the page. The first one is the form widget, where you sign up and you share. It's one widget that switches between depending on if they've already signed up or not. Okay, and keeps it nice and easy that way. The referral count widget that shows their amount of referrals. This goes up each friend that they sign up. And then the milestone widget over here that would show each different gift and which milestone number it's at. Because I'm only going to 3 and it's just discounts, I'm not using the milestone widget, but you can. And if you had different gifts for each one, you'd probably want to. All right, next is notifications. So this is the first email that your participants receive when they join the campaign. So this is the welcome email, and you can edit it here. So right here, it's just a quick one that says, thanks for signing up. Here's the discounts you get. Go ahead and invite your friends. And then the invite email, when you send out an email, from that little thing where you can do comma-separated emails, this is the email that's sent out. Hi there, Jamie signed up, and this would be the first name of whoever sent the email. Jamie signed up to the Pearson Builderall team and thinks you might also be interested. Click the button to accept the invitation and then invite your friends to earn your own Builderall business. What are you waiting for? Again, you just click sign up now, and that goes to the friends page where they can read a little bit about it, sign up for Builderall, and then sign up for the promotion to help their friend out. Same as before, you've got your content over here that you can edit. You tell it where the button's going to go. Each email has a button. You tell it what it's supposed to do. Again, you have tags you can use. In this case, we can use name, email, and even the code of the referral. It's their unique code that I could use. I could put in there in case they called for support. They could give me that, and then I could look up their number in the campaign and find information about them. So they give you everything you need. Those are those two emails. Next is the integration. So here you can actually integrate with a lot of different software. Mailboss is not one directly, but I'm pretty sure between Zapier and webhooks we'll be able to get it done at some point soon. Until then, like I said, you can export a CSV file and import that to Mailboss. But I actually have this campaign working with MailChimp. So if I go look at my MailChimp, you can see right here I have these two people that went in there. We should have a Joe Barnes. So let me do a refresh on this and see if Joe's in there. And there's the refresh, and there's Mr. Joe Barnes. Okay, so it does integrate and work perfectly fine with MailChimp. So you'll have all your leads and their data. You can send them emails, or you can import them into MailingBoss, your choice. But it's a great little package. I really love the software. You can do a lot with it. There's a lot I haven't shown you that you can do. You can integrate with a lot of other stuff. You can also integrate with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for retargeting and stuff like that. And last but not least is the installation. So here's the installation instructions. You have your script that needs to go near the bottom, near your closing body tag. And then you have the widgets themselves that are divs. Once you've done this part up here, then you can call these widgets with these little div codes. Okay, there's 3 of them, one for each widget. So it's really pretty easy. As far as editing goes, you can see this is my HTML widget right here. I can edit it, and here's the stuff. Okay, so the script, I put in this widget. I left these body tags here and put it near the body, the closed body, and then the divs that I wanted, I put underneath there. Works fine. As you can see, it's right here. Here's the top widget, here's the bottom widget, all in one HTML app box. It switches over just fine to the share, and every time somebody comes back, they can see that and see how they're doing. Alright, I think that just about covers everything. We went through every page of the setup. It's really not hard to set it up. The hardest part is deciding kind of, all the details as far as what rewards you want to do, how you want to reward them, that kind of stuff. But adding it to your site is simple, and setting it up is pretty simple as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, in the link, in the description of this video, you'll find a link to the special timed deal for ViralLoops to get it for $49 one-time payment instead of $199 a month. There will also be a link to AppSumo in general in there. Everybody should use AppSumo. If you're in the business of websites or using online software or online marketing, then you should definitely take a look at AppSumo. Click the link in the description. Have a great day. Reply if there's anything you want me to go over in more detail, let me know. Thanks a lot.